for a great adventure on your very own island of Sodor. Come and play exciting mini-games with me and my friends in an awesome train set that magically comes to life. Collect cool toys to build and customize your very own train set. Ready to roll out? We are... We're all happy to see you again. Drag each of them to the square with the matching color. Super! Wow! We all love your train set. Forward, lead. Right leads to the tunnel. Rusted bolts! The tunnel's collapsed and our friend is stuck. Can you piece it all back together? Drag the broken pieces back onto their spot on the bridge. Super awesome! Drag the broken pieces back onto their spot on the bridge. Super! Lights on! Where to now? Forward! Right leads to the haunt. Tracks. You can help out by dragging them back into their pen. That's the way! That was amazing!